Dear students, in our previous video we have been studied about the magnetic field produced by a current carrying a straight conductor and magnetic field produced by a current carrying circular loop. We have seen how the magnetic field are produced, what are their directions, what are their intensity. Now today we will discuss about the magnetic field produced by a current carrying solenoid. First of all, the question arises, what is solenoid? Solenoid means solenoid consists of many circular turns of insulated wire in the shape of a cylinder. Solenoid consists of a insulated circular wire having many turns in the form of a cylindrical shape, that is called solenoid. When current passed through the solenoid, magnetic field produced, which is very similar to the magnetic field produced by the bar magnet, which we have been studied in our start of the lesson. Characteristics of magnetic field lines. Our magnetic field lines produced by a bar magnet. The same pattern is being observed in the magnetic field produced by a current carrying solenoid. Magnetic field produced by a current carrying solenoid depends upon the following factors. First of all, the number of turns of the coil. Magnetic field is directly proportional to the number of turns of the coil of the solenoid. Greater the number of turns of the coil wrapped, the magnetic field will be stronger. Second, it is directly proportional to the magnitude of current flowing through the solenoid. What amount of current is passing through the solenoid, that is directly proportional. That means if that magnitude of current is more, the magnetic field produced will be stronger. Third, length of the solenoid. Magnetic field is inversely proportional to the length of the solenoid. If greater the length of the soft iron core over which soft iron core is wrapped, if the length of the solenoid is greater, the magnetic field produced is weaker, and if length of the solenoid is less, magnetic field produced is stronger. That means magnetic field produced on the solenoid is inversely proportional to the length of the solenoid. And fourth factor on which magnetic field of a solenoid depends, that is material of the core of the solenoid. If the core has high permeability, then magnetic field will be more. Material like steel and soft iron have higher permeability. That's why they are used to make core of a solenoid. These are the factors on which magnetic field produced by a solenoid depends, and its direction is the same as the direction of magnetic field lines we have seen in a bar magnet. Okay, now we will discuss about the permanent magnet and electromagnet. What electromagnet is? When we take a soft iron core which has many turns of insulated wire is wrapped, when current is passed through it, it's behaved like a magnet. This magnet is called electromagnet because whichever the time the current flows through the insulated wrapped wire over the soft iron core, at that time that iron core behave like a magnet, which is called electromagnet, because as soon as when current supply is break or switch off, its magnetism lost and it's behave like a simple iron core. It's behave like a magnet only till the current is flowing through that core. So now do you understand what is electromagnet? When a current is passed over a soft iron core wrapped with insulated wire many turns, when the supply is on, at that point of time during the supply the soft iron core behave like a magnet, that is called electromagnet. Now we will back on topic. What is the difference between an electromagnet and a permanent magnet or a bar magnet? You may say it a permanent bar magnet is a permanent magnet. So it is frequently asked in examinations, board exams, what is the difference between the permanent magnet and a electromagnet? Now you may write in the form of a tabular chart. I am explaining the differences. I am elaborating what are the differences between the permanent magnet and electromagnet. Permanent magnet, its magnetism is permanent, or in case of electromagnet, its magnetism or magnetic behavior is temporary. It is only up to when the electric supply is on. As soon as electric current switched off or supply breaks, it's behave like an iron core. Second difference, a bar magnet or a permanent magnet has a weak magnetic field, or in case of electromagnet, it produced very strong magnetic field. That means electromagnet is stronger, much stronger in comparison to permanent magnet. Third difference, permanent magnet is its strength or magnetic field strength cannot be changed, or in case of electromagnet, its strength or its magnetic field can be changed by changing the current passing through it, passing through the iron core, or number of turns or it may increase or decrease on the basis of number of turns wrapped over that cylindrical coil, which act as an electromagnet. Fourth difference, in permanent magnet, its polarity cannot be changed. There, north pole and south pole are remain fixed. But in case of electromagnet, its polarity can be changed by reversing the direction of the current. In our day-to-day life, we see a lot of uses and applications of an electromagnets in our surroundings. In our industry or factories, electromagnets are used for lifting very heavy iron loads and other magnetic materials. In medical field, electromagnets are used to remove iron nails and other magnetic material from a patient's body. It is also used as a magnetic separator. Electromagnetic separators are used for separating magnetic substance from other non-magnetic substances. And another application which you see in our schools also, electric bells. Electric bells consist of an electromagnet. When the current is on, it will start ringing. We will discuss its function in our next video. Okay, thank you.